So coordinate geometry in the 9th class you have learned already how to plot the points. Points को कैसे plot करते हैं. The basic things you have learned. Once let us revise this one. Okay. So the horizontal line is called as x-axis. Okay. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Is it audible to you? This horizontal line is called, what do we call here? X-axis. Basic things of the coordinate geometry. The vertical line is called as y-axis. This is called y-axis, and the both will intersect at one point, and that point is called as, do you know? What do we call? It is called as anyone?
Origin.
Yes, it is called as origin. This point. So every point in this plane will be represented by the ordered pair. We call it as a ordered pair. Suppose if you are taking a point here, ये point को कैसे मानते हैं? ये इधर से, if you draw the perpendicular line to the x-axis where it is touching, that point is considered as a x-coordinate. Here it is touching at x, and here it is touching at y. Then y-coordinate. But usually we call this as a distance from the y-axis. X-coordinate is nothing but distance from the y-axis. So ये y-axis है, y-axis से इधर कितना distance है? ये distance है. समझ में है? That distance will be considered as a x-axis. X. So x-coordinate is nothing but distance from the y-axis. Y-axis से distance है, and y-coordinate is nothing but distance from the x-axis. Distance is nothing but perpendicular distance. It is called perpendicular distance. Normally distance is nothing but, okay. So now here this is the one thing here, every point, and if you observe that these two perpendicular lines will divide the complete plane into 4 parts, and each part is called as tell me, what do we call? Each part is called as quadrant. What is that? It is called as quadrant. And here this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. And the points in the first quadrant will be positive and positive. First quadrant में any point if you take into consider, both positive will be there. Second quadrant में, so on the x-axis if you take into consider, here negative points will be there, -1, -2, -3, and right hand side you are going to have the positive points 1, 2, 3. And the y-axis ऊपर you are going to have the positive points, and नीचे you are going to have the negative points. So that's why if you see that any point in the second quadrant, में any point if you take into consider, and any point will be here negative है ना, x coordinate, so negative आ जाएगा. y coordinate positive है ना, so positive आएगा. So second quadrant में points कैसे होगा? Negative comma positive. Third quadrant में points कैसे होगा? Means the coordinates कैसे होगा? We call these are all called coordinates. Negative comma negative. Fourth quadrant में positive comma negative. So these are the different types of the points. And when you observe the points on the axis, any point you take on the x-axis में any point take, you will get the points y coordinate is 0. Suppose if you take x comma 0 form में होता है. Do remember these points. Why? Because normally you think that this point, ये इसका x coordinate find out करना है, तो वाई एक्सिस से कितना दूर है। तो ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करना है। फर्स्ट क्या करना है, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज नथिंग बट वी कॉल दैट एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट एज ए abscissa. What do we call? It is called as abscissa. So I will write here that also the x coordinate is called as abscissa. Y coordinate is called as ordinate. तो ये x coordinate को abscissa बोलते हैं, ये y coordinate को ordinate बोलते हैं. Whatever it may be the point if you take into consider. Okay. So and here what you are going to have, normally ये x axis में एक point ले लिया है, ये point ले लिया, इसका coordinates चाहिए तुमको, इसका कोऑर्डिनेट्स चाहिए तो कोऑर्डिनेट्स कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, इसका डिस्टेंस वाई एक्सिस से कितना है, इधर से इधर डिस्टेंस, ये डिस्टेंस कितना है 3 यूनिट, 3 यूनिट्स आर डिस्टेंस एंड वाई एक्स एक्सिस से वो दैट मींस डिस्टेंस 3 यूनिट्स मींस इसका कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होता है 3 होता है, इसका कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होता है 3 का 0. ओके, समझ में आया? So these are the main things you have. And y-axis if you take into consider, y-axis में ये 0 क्यों हो गया अंटे, 0 क्यों हो गया मीन्स ये डिस्टेंस क्या है, x axis से डिस्टेंस चाहिए, x axis में ही है, you are standing on the x axis and कितना दूर है बोल रहा हूँ. अब पानी सागर में है और BSF कैंप में है and asking you that कितना दूर में है बीएसएफ कैंप से, बीएसएफ कैंप में है, कैंप से कितना दूर है बोले तो 0 होल्ड है, लाइक दैट पॉइंट इज ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस में है, तो कितना दूर में है बोल के बोले तो हाउ डू यू से, you have to consider it as a 0. So that's why y coordinate is 0. Do remember that x coordinate abscissa is nothing but distance from the y axis, y coordinate is nothing but distance from the x axis, रिवर्स में होता है. अब फाइंड आउट करना है तो उधर से परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रा करो पॉइंट से x एक्सिस को, वो ऑटोमेटिकली किधर टच हो रहे वो पॉइंट आ जाएगा. वो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, वैसे भी कर सकते हैं. Any point on the x axis will be in the form of x comma 0. Any point on the y axis will be in the form of 0 comma y. Okay. So these are the basic things of the coordinate geometry. And in this, before going to learn, I want you to learn that because I will give you some points to you. कुछ points देता हूँ, वो points देके उसका points coordinates you need to say. Okay. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता है तो अच्छा होगा. Let us do like this. ये एक्स एक्सिस है, ये वाई एक्सिस है, दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, This is 3. Here 4. Here 5. Here 6, 7, and 8. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. ऊपर 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4. And now I will point to some points. एक पॉइंट मैं मार्क करता हूँ, नेम देता हूँ, उसका पॉइंट्स एक एक बोलना है. ये ए मान लो, ये बी है, ये सी, दिस इज डी, दिस इज ई, दिस इज एफ, जी, एच, आई, जे, क्यू, एल. One by one point you have to see. Go past point A. Coordinates क्या है? What are the coordinates of point A? What are the coordinates of point A?
2, 2.
Yes, very good. Anyone, 2, 2. Coordinates of B. B here.
-3, 2.
-3, 2. क्या करना है पता है? फाइंड आउट. सो ये फाइंड आउट करने से इधर लाइन ड्रा करो. इमेजिन करो किधर टच हो रहे हैं? -3. इधर से इधर किधर टच हो रहे हैं? 2 पे टच हो रहे हैं. सो ये पॉइंट क्या है? -3, 2. सो -3, +2. सी द पॉइंट नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. सी पॉइंट क्या है? फाइंड आउट करने थे. इधर से इधर ड्रा करो, इधर से इधर. नो हु विल से? रुद्र बोलो. सी पॉइंट
-6, 2.
-6, 2. वेरी गुड. ओके, पॉइंट डी बोलो. सूरज, क्या करना है डी से? बोलो डी पॉइंट क्या है?
-3, -5.
नो बेटा, नो. आप क्या करना
सर
है?
-5, -3.
हाँ, इधर से एक्स एक्सिस को टच करने का जाना. इधर से इधर जाना है, नेक्स्ट इधर से इधर जाना. फर्स्ट इधर से इधर, नेक्स्ट इधर से इधर. एक्स एक्सिस, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स चाहिए. तो सर यू मे थिंक दैट सर हम लोग इधर से इधर जा रहे हैं एक्स के लिए, तो वाई आर सेइंग डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द वाई एक्सिस, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट. सही है. देखो ये इधर से इधर डिस्टेंस है, ये डिस्टेंस दोनों सेम है ना. हमको पॉइंट क्या चाहिए पकड़ने के लिए? इधर जा रहे हैं हम लोग डी पॉइंट से. सो द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट डी आर -5, -3. ओके, त्रिशा, ई पॉइंट ई.
Sir, -2, -4.
Yes, very good. -2, -4. F who will say? Maudipa.
Sir, 3, -2.
Very good. G. Mansi. Okay, anyone?
6,
6,
-3.
-3.
6, -3. Very good. Okay, what is H? H इधर है. What are the coordinates of H?
6,
6,
6,
very good. H, I इधर है.
6,
6,
0.
6, 0. J इधर है.
-4, 0.
-4, 0. Okay. K.
0, 1.
Very good. L ये है.
0, -3.
0, अब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ आप लोग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली। -x कामा या -y किधर रहता है? Where it lies? In which quadrant it lies?
Sir, third quadrant.
गलत, we cannot say. Why? Because you are thinking that x and y. If I am asking -2 comma -3, if you say third quadrant, -2 comma -3, this is belongs to third quadrant, means ये सही है. But here x and y, suppose मैं बोला है x is equals to -2, y is equals to +3. अब -x comma -y क्या होगा? माइनस इधर है, x बोले तो -2 है एंड y बोले तो 3 है. सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो, 2 कामा -3 आ जाएगा. 2 कामा -3 ये किस क्वाड्रेंट में रहता है?
So fourth.
तो ऐसा पूछ लिया तो we cannot say in which quadrant it lies. We cannot say because variable is there. Do remember that one. Okay. Okay. Suppose 5 कामा 0 which quadrant में रहता है? 5 कामा 0.
So first quadrant.
नो बेटा, डू रिमेम्बर ये क्वाड्रेंट में नहीं रहता है, एक्सिस में रहता है, एक्स एक्सिस में. बिकॉज यू आर थिंकिंग दैट इधर सिंबल नहीं है बोले तो पॉजिटिव बोल के सोच रहे, उधर में समझ में आ रही, ये सिंबल नहीं है तो ये पॉजिटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव है बोल, बट ये पॉजिटिव नहीं है, 0 पॉजिटिव नहीं है. 0 इज नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So this is the basic things which is needed to you in the coordinate geometry. So we are going to have the in the originally, if you take into consider distance form, distance between the 2 points. Distance between the 2 points. So distance between the 2 points means point means nothing but if you take it to consider A is a point x1 y1 and B is the another point x2 y2 in the coordinate geometry, and distance between the 2 points AB without writing the ऊपर कुछ नहीं लिखना है because दोनों को बीच में distance है. So AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find out the distance between the 2 points. Okay. Any 2 points, if it is given to you, A is the one point and B is the another point, and distance between the 2 points, to find out this formula we have to use. Okay, इसका proof लिखना जरूरत नहीं है because proof, if you are going that it takes us a little bit confusion to you. It is not necessary to you to use the proof. Okay, so be on the line. So this is the distance formula, distance between the 2 points. Okay. So simple है. Any 2 points if it is given. So here, based on this, we are going to have the exercise 7.1. It's very simple exercise, not very difficult. And here you need to take into consider that along with this, if you, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
So here we are going to have the 3 points will be given. The 3 points will be vertices of the triangle or not. Which type of the triangle you will get me. Length of the sides you need to find out. And with the help of this 3 points collinear बोल के भी prove कर सकते हैं. We can prove the 3 points are collinear. Collinear is nothing but what is meant by collinear? Collinear बोले तो क्या है? Anyone? What is meant by collinear? 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 Don't know. No one. No one knows. If the 3 points lies on the same line,
Windows on the phone.
if the 3 or more points, 3 or more points lies on the same line, then they are called collinear. इसको collinear बोलते हैं. Suppose here 3 points are given to you आपको, वो collinear बोल के prove करने के लिए बोला है. 3 points like this it is given. Collinear बोल के prove करना है तो इधर से इधर distance find out करो, AB find out करो, BC find out करो, AC find out करो. तो एक किसी दोनों को ऐड कर ले तो तीसरा आ जाएगा. किसी दोनों को ऐड कर लिया तो तीसरा आ जाएगा. So that is a way you can take into consideration. Okay, did you get my point? समझ में आया? Did you understand?
Sir.
So we are going to have here in your textbook exercise 7.1. If you see that, it's a very simple exercise. Just to I'm going to explain to you the questions को लेके मैं देखा के explain करता हूँ. ये है first exercise में problems क्या है. So is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So first क्या दे दिया है? 2 points दिए हैं. Find the distance between the 2 points. So second problem, if you want, I will explain to you. -5, 7, -1, 3 is given to you. So -5, 7, -5, 7, -1, 3. So first with second problem, -5, 7, -5, 7, and -1, 3. These are the 2 points. इसको डिस्टेंस करना है तो पहले इसको ये मान लो और सेकंड पॉइंट को बी मान लो. व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट? ए बी फाइंड आउट करना. इधर नीचे लिखो x1 y1, इधर नीचे लिखो. यू मे गेट डाउट, सर ये डी पॉइंट को मैंने x1 y1 लिख दिया तो क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा, both are same. So AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Do you remember that the formula can also be written as under root of x1 minus x2 whole square also plus y1 minus y2 whole square also you can write, because whole square you are having. As you are having whole square, if you take x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, both are same. Okay, so here what is it here under root of x2 minus x1 बड़े -1. ध्यान से रखना है फॉर्मूला में माइनस है, x1 में -5 है, तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा. ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग गलत करते हैं. 3 माइनस फॉर्मूला में है, y1 क्या है 7. सो ध्यान से करना है. सो बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. सो 4 स्क्वायर -4 होल स्क्वायर, so which is equals to 16 plus 16 under root of 32. Units लिखना है because distance है ना. So remaining problems also you can do like that. Third problem you may get out, sir ये क्या है sir, variables दे दिया है. So if it is given variables, what is the problem to you? A comma b is a 1 point. इसको A का consider करो. B is equals to minus A comma minus B. So A B is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x1 y1, here x2 y2, which is equals to under root of, so minus a whole square plus y2 whole to minus b whole square. minus a क्या होगा, minus 2a होगा, minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square, which is equals to under root of 4a square plus 4b square. If you want, you can take the 4 comma level under root of a square plus b square. So this can be written as root 4 into root of a square plus b square. So which is equals to 2 into under root of a square plus b square. समझ में आया? This is the problem. Next to third problem is given to you. Question number 3.
सर
Yes, follow it.
सर ये तो डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला है ना, तो हम जब डिस्टेंस निकालते हैं तो बाद में उसकी यूनिट नहीं लिखेंगे क्या?
यूनिट्स लिखना है बेटा, यूनिट्स लिखना है, बोला है ना मैंने, बोला इधर देखो, ये units. Suppose if it why units you have to write, oh here I have not written, ये लिखना है, units लिखना है, sorry, okay, units लिखना है.
ओके
हाँ, सेकंड प्रॉब्लम देखो, फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द, ये प्रॉब्लम्स मैं जस्ट ओरली एक्सप्लेन करते जाता हूँ, आप घर पे कर सकते हैं. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द these 2 points, can you find the distance between the towns A and B discussed in section. आपका एग्जाम्पल प्रॉब्लम में डिस्कस कर लिया है, सो वो दोनों को डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, नहीं पूछ रहे. थर्ड प्रॉब्लम देखो, थर्ड प्रॉब्लम व्हाट इज गिवन हियर. थर्ड प्रॉब्लम डिटरमाइन दे आर कोलिनियर, कोलिनियर बोल के प्रूव करना है. तो कोलिनियर बोल के प्रूव करना है तो व्हाट टू डू, ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट को ये मान लो, सेकंड पॉइंट को बी मान लो, सेकंड थर्ड पॉइंट को सी मान लो. सो व्हाट टू डू हियर, ए बी फाइंड आउट करना है, बी सी फाइंड आउट करना है, ए सी फाइंड आउट करना है. 1, 5, 2, 3. Okay, I'll explain to you this problem. Collinear वाला कुछ नहीं है, all distances only you have to find out. One problem I'll explain to you. Collinear वाला, actually collinear can be proved in different ways. As here you are learning problem number 3. Problem number 3. So what are the points given to you? Let point A is 1, 5. First point 1, 5. Point B is 2, 3. Point C is -2, -11. So first what we have to do, AB find out करना. AB is equals to under root of, हर बार you write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So if you get confused, you can write here x1 y1 x2 y2, but erase करना है because next time BC ले लिया तो ये x1 y1 x2 y2 होता है. Okay, so that's why whenever you take into consider under root of, ये x2 है 2, 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. So which is equals to under root of 1 square plus minus 2 whole square. So which is equals to under root of 1 plus 4, which is equals to either root 5 or there. AB. Like that you find out BC. BC is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Either x2 क्या है? If you want, you can take this one x1 by 1, this one x2 by 2 also. अब x2 minus x1 बोल 2 plus 2 हो जाएगा, 2 plus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 11 whole square. So what do you get here? 16, 4 square, 14 square. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 square is, what is the value of 14 square? No. Sorry, 14 square. Square values you should remember till the 20. I already told you. Learn that. Whether is it audible to you or not?
96.
Huh?
196.
196. सही है? बाकी सब लोग?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay. So 196 and 16 add करो. So what do you get? 206 add कर लो, 212 आएगा. 212 को फैक्टराइज करके रखो if it is possible. 212 factors. 2 1s are 2 6 are 254 are 227 are. So we are going to get 3 9s are 3 3s are. ये डबल टाइम लेगा, ये डबल टाइम है. So 3 2s are 6, 6 root 6 आ जाएगा. 6 root 6 है. Like this AC find out करो, CA find out करो, CA distance find out करो. And तीनों में 2 ऐड कर लिए तो any two if you add, if you get the third one, then you can say that they are collinear. Okay, कर सकते हैं ना? CA क्या होगा? Under root of, directly I am going to do 1 plus 2 whole square. 1 plus 2 3 square means 9 आएगा. 5 plus 16 square क्या होगा?
256.
Yes, 256. So under root of 265 आएगा. 265. Okay. Did you understand here? Hello. So now if you see that, hello, can you hear me? No, if you write this one, 256 को factorize करो, ये 5 से 5 is 24, 5 3 is 53 है. 53 cannot be factorized. It is not divisible by any number, so you cannot write. So if you see that this number, and this number, sum of the any three numbers is equal to the third number. No. Suppose sometimes you may get the questions to you like this. Root 2 एक number आएगा, root 2 another number आएगा, root 8 another number आएगा. Suppose if distance I'm saying AB, BC, AC, whether these 3 points are collinear, ABC collinear or not in this case. You try to observe and see. AB root 2 आया, BC root 2 आया, AC root 8 आया. Whether they are collinear or not.
Yes, sir, they are collinear.
Why? Because root 8 is nothing but इसको आप 2 root 2 लिख सकते हैं. ये दोनों को ऐड कर लिया तो √2 + √2 2√2 आएगा. ये दोनों को ऐड कर लिया तो √2 + √2 2√2. इधर 2√2. But it is not looking like a 2√2. That's why I told you to factorize and write. A previous problem में भी factorize करके लिखना है. So here you are not going to get any points. Sum of the any two numbers is not equal to third number. Okay. Fifth problem. दिख रहा है fifth में. So what is given here? Problem number 5. Problem number 5 देखो. So in the classroom, 4 friends A, B, C, D wanted. Champa and Chameli walk into the class. After observing few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think that ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. Using the distance formula, which of them are correct? First, can you tell me the point A coordinates क्या है? इसमें ये coordinates क्या है बोलो? ये का coordinates. What are the coordinates? 3, 4. Very good. And B coordinates क्या है? 6, 7. And C coordinates क्या है? 9, 4. And D coordinates क्या है? 6, 1. So ये स्क्वायर है नहीं है, कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? ये दोनों को डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करो. ए बी सी फाइंड आउट करो, सी डी फाइंड आउट करो, ए डी फाइंड आउट करो. उसके बाद क्या करना है ना, ऑल इक्वल आया तो if you get all equal, then you find out AC and BD. ये दोनों भी find out करना है. Because in a square, if you get all the sides equal, only all the sides equal, it may be a rhombus also. It may be a rhombus also. So that's why you find out diagonals also. Sir, why do we find out diagonals? Suppose if you not get the numbers, which A, B, B, C, C, D, E, A, so it is not necessary to go forward. वो इक्वल नहीं आया तो बिल्कुल स्क्वायर नहीं हो सकता है. समझ में आया? तो नेक्स्ट 6th प्रॉब्लम भी लाइक दैट होंगे. व्हाट इज द गिवन हियर? 6th प्रॉब्लम. नेम द टाइप ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल फॉर्म. व्हिच टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल फॉर्म? ये एक पॉइंट है. दिस इज माय दिस इज माय ए बी सी डी मान लो. ए बी फाइंड आउट करो, बी सी फाइंड आउट करो, ए सी फाइंड आउट करो, ए डी फाइंड आउट करो. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला ये अप्लाई करना है. अप्लाई करके फाइंड आउट करना है. और हियर व्हिच टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल बोले तो if you get opposite sides are equal and diagonals ACBD not equal है, then it is a parallelogram. If diagonals length equal है, opposite sides equal है, diagonals equal है, then it is a rectangle. All the sides equal है, diagonals not equal है, then rhombus. All the sides equal है, diagonals भी equal है, then it is a square. समझ में आया था? Suppose here I am going to write here. If you consider the points A, B, C, D, एक point एक consider करो. That's right. A, B, C, D. What are you about to find out? A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A, C, B. Like this. If you get AB is equal to CD, BC is equals to DA, opposite sides are equal, and AC not equals to B. In this case, not equal आया तो देखो ये parallelogram में ये diagonal length not equal होता है, so it is parallel. If you get AC equal to B, ये equal आया है. AB is equals to CD आया, BC is equals to DA आया, and AC is equals to BD आया. Then in this case it is rectangle. Rectangle में diagonals length equal होता है. Like that all the sides equal आया है, ACBD not equal आया, then it may be a rhombus, because rhombus देखो rhombus में ऐसा होता है. Diagonals length देखो ये बड़ा है ये छोटा है diagonals, but all the sides are equal. ऑल द साइड्स इक्वल आया तो आप डायरेक्टली नहीं बोल सकते हैं इट इज अ स्क्वायर बोल के, रैम्बस भी हो सकता है. सो लाइक दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. समझ में आया? कैन फाइंड आउट ना. नेक्स्ट 7th प्रॉब्लम, 7th 8th 9th 10th. Okay, we'll complete it. These 4 problems complete करके conclude करेंगे. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the 2 points. 2 points are given to you. So that is nothing but you need to find a point. You need to find a point which is equal distance from these 2 points on the x-axis. So given points क्या है? You consider given points as A is the one point, that is 2 comma minus 5, and B is the another point, minus 2 comma 9. A B बोला नहीं, we are considering. Let a point P x-axis में कैसे होगा point? Y coordinate 0 हो, so x comma 0 is a point is on x-axis which is equidistant from A and B. A B से equal distance में है, so that is nothing but PA is equals to PB. PA is nothing but distance between the P and A. So P का x minus 2 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So what do you get here? Plus 0 plus 5 whole square is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. So both sides under root है, square root निकाल सकते हैं because squaring on both sides. So you are going to get it as a x minus 2 whole square plus 25. This is equals to x plus 2 whole square plus 81. Expand by x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25 is equals to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. ये x square cancel, ये 4x उधर भेज दो, ये दोनों को सम करके इधर भेज दो. So what do you get here? 29 हो गई, 29 plus 85 is equals to 4x plus 4x. 29 plus 85 कितना? 9 plus 5 4, 114 आएगा. What do you get? So 8x is equals to 114. X is equals to 114 by 8. 8 से डिवाइड होगा. Is the point is divisible by 8? 114. 114 नहीं आ रहा है ना. 4 plus 4. If you want here 85. Sorry, plus 85, minus 85 आएगा ना. Sorry. Otherwise you do one thing here. इधर गलत. ये 4 भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So simply you can write 25 minus 81. 81 इधर आया है ना. 81 लेफ्ट साइड आया. So 25 minus 81. So 81 से 25 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो. So what you get here? तो 6 आ जाएगा. 56 आ जाएगा. Sorry. Yes. We will get 56, not 8x is equals to 56. 8 1 से 8 7 से x is equals to 7 आ रहा है. तो x is equals to 7 आया तो you are not supposed to leave the problem. Problem को छोड़ना नहीं. Therefore 7 का is a point on x-axis. Is a point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 minus 2 comma 9. This problem. Okay, ना ये problems ज़्यादा important है. So 8th problem here. Find the value of the y which is distance from these 2 points is 10 units. Already दे दिया है. So that is nothing but ये problem क्या दे दिया है. P is a 1 point given to you. 2 comma minus 3 and Q is another point given 10 comma y. Y value find out करना है. PQ 10 units दे दिया है. So given PQ is equals to 10. So that is nothing but under root of, what do we get? Under root of 10 minus 2, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equals to 10. Squaring on both sides. So you are going to get a square. Squaring on both sides is nothing but either square level, either square. Square root and square get cancelled. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 square is 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. 10 square is 100. This 64 उधर लेके जाओ. So y plus 3 whole square is equals to 100 minus 64. 100 minus 64, 36. Plus 3 whole square equal to 36 है. So y plus 3 is equals to plus or minus 6 आ जाएगा. Y plus 3 equal because plus से हो सकता है minus 6 भी because minus 6 का whole square है तो 36 है. So y plus 3 is equal to plus 6 because y is equals to y 3 equals to 6 is equal to minus. So two answers we are going to asking you to find out the y value. Y value is asking you to find out. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया ना? हाँ, simple problems है. Even with the help of this only, 9th and 10th problem also you can do it. 9th problem में क्या दिया? The Q point is दे दिया है 0, 1. It is equal distance from the 5, minus 3, 6, 6. So that means QP equal distance is nothing but QP means QP equal to QR. हम लोग पहले किया है, पहले प्रॉब्लम के जैसा करना है, x value find out करना है, and also find out the distances QR and PR. 10th problem also you can do it. You try these two problems at home. If you not get, then I will explain to you in the next class. Okay. Okay, no?